Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to earn from WooCommerce in WordPress. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you've not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page where in the upper right corner you want to get started with logging into your account. So after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page right here where at the left side of the screen you can find all the sections you can access such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with earning from WooCommerce. As you can see right here at the left side of the screen dashboard, you can open up the WooCommerce section. This is going to enable us to go ahead and start a new store if you do not already have one. So what you can do is start your store from here. If you already have a store that you've created, it's going to appear right here. You'll be able to manage it from here, all the settings and info. But basically guys, what we're looking for is right here at the left side screen, the plugins section. You want to open up plugins. So guys, this is going to open up the plugins marketplace where you can find all the plugins that you can get started with using for your website and your WooCommerce store. And we want to use the search bar right here and search for WooCommerce. So after searching for WooCommerce successfully, it's going to give us a result page right here. You can find all the options and plugins we have for using WooCommerce. And basically guys, here you'll be able to find all the plugins you need, such as the WooCommerce subscriptions. You have your PayPal payments, so people can pay with PayPal. You have your reintegrated WooCommerce payments, and so on. So these are all the plugins that you can go ahead and use for getting paid on WooCommerce. This is going to enable your users to pay you using WooCommerce. You just want to go ahead and install the plugins, all that you need from here, and add them to your WooCommerce store. They're going to appear right here, and that's how easy it is to do it and how to get started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.